Hey guys, I was thinking, I was been in a lot of classes this week, and I've told you before my quest to condemn metaphysical colors. Those are earlier videos, like really early, early in this channel. And then I was going to write a paper about that, but then it just kind of fell off the wagon. It just kind of fell off my plate, off my agenda. So I'm just thinking right now, I'm thinking of revitalizing it, because before I was thinking of structuralizing this argument, because, well, my argument would be to say that colors are only epistemological and not metaphysical. And what I mean by that is that colors are, when we see this orange marker, we see this, it is my opinion that we are seeing this epistemologically, that this is only in our brain that we see color, and that it's color in its phenomena, in its non-ontological phenomena. And if it's not, I don't think that this is orange metaphysically, because I don't think that the ontological being of this marker is truly orange. I think that it's because of the light in the room. It's because of the particles in the marker that where light reflects off of it, and it creates phenomena to us that will say, "Hey, this is orange." It will give us phenomena that will say that, but I don't think that the phenomena of this is ontological, and I don't think that it's metaphysical. So that's my overall argument, and I was planning on structuralizing this by using, for one, Moritz Schlick's argument that colors cannot be expressed, because I could not, if you're blind, I could not explain to you how this is orange. I cannot explain to someone the color orange, because for one. Okay, so for one, I would be planning on using Moritz Schlick's argument, where he says that colors cannot be expressed because they're more personal than anything else. I was also planning on using G.E. Moore's argument about sense data, talking about his whole idea of sense data and introducing that and connecting with that with the idea of Husserl and Kant's idea of phenomena. And I was also planning on using David Lewis's on the plurality of worlds, and he introduces a modal realism in that book, where he basically says that everything we see is real no matter what. You should read that book, I think. It gives a pretty good metaphysical argument. So I was planning on using those three things at first, but now I'm thinking of using either Brentano or Husserl and their phenomenal. Brentano was not a phenomenologist, but Husserl definitely was. And I was planning on using either Brentano's or Husserl's argument about the bracketing. I remember I talked about the bracketing of the natural attitude, and that we're looking at the non-ontological being of the phenomena in this, and not the ontological being. So I was planning on doing that, and planning on introducing the idea of bracketing. If you don't know what that is, you can go. If you don't know what bracketing or any phenomenology is, here's part 1 to that video right here. Because I did a whole thing on that. I don't want to talk about that anymore. Well, at least for now. But I want to integrate the whole idea of phenomenology into that argument, and I want to transfer that into the ontological discussion of beings. And that how there's no ontological being of yellowness. There's no ontological being of orangeness. There's epistemological beings of orangeness. There's orange A, orange B, orange C, orange D, orange E, orange F. There's tons of fluctuations of colors of the color orange. There's fluctuations of every color. Like if I were to drop this on the ground, you would see a different color, because there would be shadows of the table and there would be shadows of the bed coming onto this marker, and you would see a darker colored orange. So there's fluctuations of epistemological colors, but using that, I can't see how there's a metaphysical, a intrinsic, inherent metaphysical color in objects. There's no metaphysical property of yellowness. There's no metaphysical property of blueness. There's epistemological properties, yes, but metaphysically, no. I think that these are, this is everything you're saying is epistemological here. There's a core in here, however, that is metaphysical and has no color. So this is the new argument that that I will think about pushing forward, using the idea of bracketing in phenomenology. But anyway, I had that huge thought, so I thought I would vlog that. So anyway, hope you guys are doing good. I'll talk about this later. Bye.